Welcome friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Debu's Tech Guide. Today in this video I am going to show you how to install the Lapcare 12A cartridge. This toner cartridge is compatible in a lot of model number of HP laserjet printer including 1015 and 1020 also. So at first you have to remove the clips from both the side. As you can see here, I am removing these clips. Now you just have to remove this tape. As you can see here, just remove this tape. When you just pull it out, it will come out. Okay, and completely you have to pull it out so that the drum and the cartridge works fine. Now I just tear this tape. Now this cartridge is ready for installation. Okay, so now I am going to put it into the printer. It is the printer. You can see here it is my HP printer. Just carefully insert it into this printer. Okay, now it is locked, you can see here, and finally close the lid. I am checking if it is installed properly. Yes, now closing the lid. Finally it is ready. You can now print from this printer. If you like this video, please subscribe and like to my channel.